The Advanced General Ledger application has a built-in option to allow users to import and export journals into Excel. The Export to Excel function allows users to select which dimensions they'd like to include in the template. Once the export function is run, an Excel template similar to this will be created. This template is created with data validation, which means users cannot enter incorrect master data. Once the journal has been populated, the import function can be run. The import function allows the user to browse and choose the template they'd like to import, the worksheet they'd like to use. It will default the template and batch to the current template and batch we're in. We have the option to replace or add entries, and if the description in the template is blank, this description will be used instead. We also have the option to select the dimensions we'd like to include when we import the template.